Hello guys, today I will tell you about a very impressive and very informative website for the work in Office and PowerPoint. This is very effective and very useful for professional people, and write in the Google that Office timeline and you will slightly scroll down and will go to the website officetimeline.com. Uh, we also have its free edition and pro edition. Pro edition is a paid edition. So I am going on the website, so you can see here, make impressive PowerPoint timeline with just a few clicks. So this website will help you to automatically uh, to convert your Excel data into the PowerPoint slides. So this will be very impressive and very useful. You can also watch the demo video in this website. So I am clicking on the demo video so you can have an idea about this informative website. So please watch, stay tuned and watch the full video of demo video here. Make a roadmap in 3 easy steps. This is actually used for the professional workers in PowerPoint to make slides and timeline for their projects and planning.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.